we're starting a new day. We was in Flagstaff, Arizona. It's cold, windy today.
It's cold.
We left. Where were we on? Grand Canyon. I don't forget.
Yeah, the Grand Canyon. Last night was a balmy 17 degrees.
Yeah. So we didn't explore Flagstaff much, mainly because of me. I don't want to walk around the cold weather. But anyway,
it's really sunny.
We're going to Walnut Canyon National Monument. She's doing the. Where's your passport stamp book? Hurry! Hurry! Oh, yeah, she's getting all these stamps. No, the Route 66 stamps.
Oh, that one.
Oh my! If I only had a brain.
Stop.
Yeah. She's getting all these stamps right here. Open it.
This is the one we just got.
Yeah. She's got them. Pretty much you stop at all these little destinations on Route 66,
yep.
Get your little stamp, and you win a new car.
Yep, so...
You win a new car?
No.
Oh.
This is the Seligman. This one was really amazing.
Yeah.
The Angels Barber Shop and Visitor Center is really cool.
Yeah, it's quite interesting. Anyhow, we'll go in this park and see what they got. We'll be back. Well, the view is pretty, oh wow, pretty spectacular view. We seem to be around these snow mountains the whole time, don't we?
Might be easier, so just let me know if you do that. Okay, yeah, you can find me one or two more loads. Thank you.
So where are we at?
We're at Walnut Canyon National Park.
The cliff dwellings.
This is the cliff dwellings, yep.
Yep.
I had never heard of this park before.
Pretty neat. So we got 400 something steps to take.
275 each way.
And there's some people down there working. They're still researching, whatever you want to call it. See them down there? Yeah, let me get a little closer. Y'all know I love to play with my zoom. We'll probably see them better when we get down there. It's really cold today and it's like draining my batteries, so I gotta be selective with how much I bore you. No, actually this is pretty interesting. I'm just always joking around about being boring and everything. I think it's enjoyable. It's pretty neat. But I'm gonna pause it when we get closer to the cliff dwellings. I'll turn it back on. Come on! I'm on like step 50 and she's on step 3. We're coming down the hill. We haven't gone very far, but we're getting better views though. That'll be the one I showed you from the visitor center when we first came in. They're actually all over. They're spotted everywhere. Now that we're getting down, you won't be able to see them, but there's some over there. There's actually 2 or 3 over there, and there was above it. Where did we see one? Not 100% sure, but anyway, we saw them. They're there. I know they are. Pretty neat. Like the canyon kind of stops over there, don't it? Anywho, canyon, big rock. Moving on. Preferred shelter. Watch your head. I'm 5'10". I'm gonna hit my head. So, this is where they lived.
Is it? I think they reinforced this.
Well, this must be the living room. Where's the TV? I just want to charge my. You said socket. I need to charge my phone.
I don't think this thing is.
This would be, in theory, a cool place to live. I mean, just imagine waking up and seeing this view every day. Getting to Walmart would be kind of tricky, wouldn't it? Pretty neat. Awesome view. Here's some more of the, I don't know if you call it home or dwelling or whatever, but here's some more where they lived. Yeah, pretty neat. Yep. Watch your head. Oh, actually, that one's higher. Oh, my bad. It looked lower because I was standing up. Well, it's still pretty low though, ain't it? I wonder if this was a dwelling or just a... I don't know if I feel comfortable with 1,000,000 pounds of rock above my head. From ocean to... I'll tell you about the formations of the rock. Interesting. Beautiful view. I mean, if I was going to pick a place, it'd be here. This is a one bedroom apartment.
One bedroom studio.
It rented for $4.99 a month. Rentals discount, you get the first month free. Here's your 2-bedroom with a loft. Great view. It probably rented for $1,600 a month because, nah, this would be a rough way to live. I mean, just getting water. I mean, you know they had to go down to get water, so I don't know. And that's where they had a fire, I guess, because that wall's all black. Well, I don't know. I didn't really research this. I'm just guessing. Still cool either way, though. We found their shopping center. That's where they went in. Oh, wow. It's like pretty neat. Oh. Yeah, people's been all in. Oh, this one don't say don't enter. You can go in this one. It looked like it got quite smoky in there. It's pretty neat. Dollar General. So we had Dollar Tree and Dollar General, and all that side was Walmart. No? We don't get to do the whole trail today because they were working on some of it, so we got to see quite a bit though. Pretty nice. We made it almost to the top. I had to look and see if we was or not. Almost. We just gotta get right there and be done. So what'd you think of it?
It's really cool. It's really beautiful. It's a really small national park, so when you come, I think it's more intimate. It's not really this trail that we're on is Island Trail.
And
So it's Island Trail, and normally it's a 1-mile loop, but they've got they're constructing the trail right now.
yeah, maintenance.
Maintenance. But from just about any vantage point, you can see these dwellings. They're really beautiful. We've had a lot of discussions just with other people and just amongst ourselves about, why choose this place. I've seen a lot of communities that usually build, high mounds, but it almost seems like there was safety being so low, although it brings a lot of daily chores just with water. It is a canyon, so eventually there's a bottom, but it's every day. Every day you've got to go down and get water for bathing, drinking, cleaning. So anyways, it's a great park. This has been a really great park, and the rangers are amazing here as well.
The rangers are amazing. So is this prickly pear. Yes. Yeah. Are we making another stop today?
No. It's supposed to be cold, but this feels really nice for 30 degrees. This feels great.
Yeah, we're out in the wind.
Yeah.
Okay. This stop is complete. Bye until next time.